Imagine waking up one morning to find an extra $5,000 in your bank account. No strings attached. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you this could soon be a reality for millions of Americans? Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking proposal that could put thousands of dollars back into your pocket, slash government debt, and even abolish the IRS. Stick around because this could change everything you know about taxes, savings, and your financial future. In this video, we'll break down 1. What the Department of Government Efficiency, or Doge, is, and how it's saving billions. 2. How you could get a piece of the $55 billion savings. 3. The fine print, what this means for inflation, taxes, and your wallet. And 4. Why this could be the biggest financial game changer of the decade. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is Doge? No, we're not talking about the meme coin. Doge stands for the Department of Government Efficiency, a new initiative aimed at cutting wasteful government spending. Think of it as a financial Marie Kondo for the US government. If it doesn't spark joy or efficiency, it's gone. Here's the jaw-dropping part. In just 1 month, Doge has already identified $55 billion in savings. That's billion with a B. Where's this money coming from? Let's break it down. $6.5 billion cut from US aid, $500 million from the Department of Education, $230 million from Social Security, and even $119 million from the Commerce Department. But here's the kicker. 6,700 IRS workers are being let go because they're deemed non-essential. Yes, you heard that right. This could be the first step toward abolishing the IRS altogether. Now, I know what you're thinking. Finally, someone's holding the government accountable. And you're right. For decades, we've watched our tax dollars disappear into a black hole of inefficiency. But now, there's a real plan to give some of that money back to you. Here's where it gets exciting. A viral suggestion on social media proposed that 20% of these savings should go back to American taxpayers as a dividend. And guess what? Both Elon Musk and Donald Trump are on board. That means you could soon be getting a check in the mail or a direct deposit just for being a taxpayer. Let's do the math. $55 billion in savings times 20% equals $11 billion to be distributed. Divide that by 85 million taxpayers, the number of people who actually pay income tax, and you're looking at roughly $129 per person. But wait, that's just the start. If Doge keeps up this pace, those savings could grow to $1,550 per person by the end of the year. And if they hit their ambitious $2 trillion goal, you could be looking at a whopping $5,000 refund. Yes, $5,000. Think about what that could mean for you, paying off debt, investing in your future, or finally taking that vacation you've been dreaming of. This isn't just about money, it's about giving hard-working Americans a break for once. Now, before you start planning how to spend that $5,000, let's talk about the fine print. Because, as always, the devil's in the details. Unlike the COVID stimulus checks, this refund might favor higher earners. If you paid more in taxes, you could get a bigger slice of the pie. Some worry that putting billions back into the economy could fuel inflation. But here's the twist. Since this money is coming from savings, not printing, the impact might be minimal. Don't expect a check tomorrow. These savings need to be audited and locked in before any money can be distributed. I know it's easy to be skeptical. After all, we've been burned before. But this time it feels different. This isn't just about handing out money. It's about fixing a broken system and giving power back to the people. So what can you do right now? Stay informed. Share this video with your friends and family. And most importantly, let your representatives know that you support initiatives like Doge. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about money. It's about taking back control of our future. I'll be keeping a close eye on this story as it develops, and I'll make sure to keep you updated. Because you deserve to know how your money is being spent, and how you can get some of it back. To recap. 1. Doge is cutting $55 billion in wasteful spending. 2. You could get up to $5,000 as a refund. 3. This isn't just about money, it's about fixing a broken system. So what would you do with an extra $5,000? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.